Do you want to feel more refreshed and energized? Mint might be the answer you're looking for. Join me as we dive into the world of mint and discover its many health benefits. Plus, I'll share some delicious mint recipes that you can easily make at home. Mint helps to ease digestive issues such as indigestion, bloating, and gas. It relaxes the muscles in the digestive tract, making digestion smoother. Mint helps alleviate headaches, especially tension headaches, through its menthol content. Applying diluted mint oil to the forehead can bring relief. Mint serves as a natural decongestant, helping to clear nasal passages and ease breathing. Its menthol content soothes the throat and reduces coughing. Mint is rich in antioxidants that protect cells from oxidative damage. Regular consumption can support overall health and well-being. Mint's antibacterial properties can help freshen breath and improve oral hygiene. It also reduces the growth of harmful bacteria in the mouth. Mint's anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties make it great for skincare. It soothes irritations and may help reduce acne. Mint's aroma has a calming effect, helping reduce stress and anxiety. Inhaling mint scent promotes relaxation. Mint helps alleviate nausea and vomiting. Consuming mint tea or chewing fresh mint can settle the stomach. Mint aids in weight management by promoting digestion and reducing appetite. It can also serve as a low-calorie alternative to sugary snacks. Mint's vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, help strengthen the immune system, making the body more resilient to infections. So, what can we make using mint? Here are some sample recipes. But first, if you found the video useful, please like and subscribe so you don't miss any new videos. Squeeze lemon juice. Add fresh mint, honey, and cold water. Stir and serve. Brew mint and lavender in hot water. Steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Add honey if desired. Steep mint and ginger in hot water for 5 minutes. Drink to ease congestion. Blend blueberries, mint, banana, and yogurt for a refreshing smoothie. Mix baking soda, coconut oil, and mint essence into a paste. Brush teeth with it. Mix yogurt, honey, and mint essence into a paste. Apply as a mask for 15 to 20 minutes. Steep mint leaves in hot water for 5 to 7 minutes. Add honey to taste. Brew fresh ginger and mint in hot water for 5 minutes. Drink when needed. Squeeze lemon, add mint leaves and water. Stir and drink throughout the day. Mix ginger, honey, and lemon juice. Drink to boost immunity.